Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the PlainTalk English Podcast, the place where we make English simple and practical for you.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to have you with us again today. We have a really great episode planned that we think you'll find incredibly useful.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Anna.
In today's episode, we are going to talk about something every single person needs to do: ordering food. We're going to dive deep into how to order food in English at a restaurant.
Yes, today's topic is a big one. We're covering everything from making a reservation to paying the bill. This is a very important skill, especially if you travel, work, or live in an English-speaking country.
Exactly. And we know it can be a little scary at first. You might worry about saying the wrong thing or not understanding the waiter. But after this episode, you will feel much more confident.
Don't worry if you're a beginner. We will use simple English and explain everything clearly, step by step. We'll give you the exact phrases you need to sound natural and polite.
We'll even act out the scenes for you so you can hear how the conversations sound in real life. Are you ready, Anna?
I'm ready. In fact, all this talk about food is making me hungry. Let's get started.
Okay. Before we even go to the restaurant, sometimes we need to book a table, especially if it's a popular place or a special occasion. This is called making a reservation or booking a table.
That's a great point. Let's imagine Daniel is calling a restaurant to book a table for us tonight. I'll be the restaurant staff. Ring, ring. Good evening, the Good Fork. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people, please.
Certainly. For what day and time?
For this evening at 7:30 p.m.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at 7:30. May I have your name, please?
It's Daniel.
All right, Mr. Daniel. We have you down for a table for 2 at 7:30 this evening. We look forward to seeing you.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
And it's that easy. Let's break down those key phrases.
When you call, you can start with, "I'd like to make a reservation," or "I'd like to book a table."
They will ask you for 3 things. How many people? A table for 2. What day? Tonight, for Friday, for January 30th. What time? At 7:30 p.m.
And always be ready to give your name so they can hold the table for you. This is a fantastic skill to practice. Okay, Anna, now let's imagine we are arriving at the restaurant. We have a reservation.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Hello, we have a reservation for 2 at 7:30 under the name Daniel.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Yes, Daniel, table for 2. Your table is ready. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table. Is this spot okay for you?
Yes, this is lovely. Thank you.
Did you hear that? When you have a reservation, you should say so right away.
You say, "We have a reservation under the name, your name." Now, what if you don't have a reservation?
That's also very common. Let's do that scene again.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How many people in your party?
Table for 2, please.
The staff member at the entrance is often called a host or hostess. They might ask, how many people? Table for how many? Or how many are in your party? Party just means your group.
And your answer is very simple. Table for 1, please. A party of 4. Just the 2 of us. Very simple.
Here are your menus. Can I get you started with something to drink? Perhaps some water for the table.
Yes, still water would be great. Thank you.
I'll have a sparkling water, please. Excellent choice. I'll be right back with your water and give you a few minutes to look over the menu.
This is so important. The waiter will often try to take your drink order first. It gives you time to decide on your food.
Exactly. Let's talk about the menu. It can be divided into sections: appetizers or starters, small dishes you eat before the main meal, main courses or entrees, desserts, sweet dishes at the end, beverages, drinks.
You might also see a specials board or menu. These are dishes that are not on the regular menu and are available for a limited time. Okay, Anna, the menu is huge. I'm not sure what to get. It's time to ask for some help.
Okay. Returning with water, here's your still and sparkling water. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
We need a little more time, but I have a question.
Of course. What can I help you with?
Everything looks so good. What do you recommend? What's the most popular dish here?
Our chicken burger is very popular. It's a grilled chicken breast with our special house sauce, lettuce, and tomato. It comes with a side of fries or a salad.
That sounds delicious. I'm also a vegetarian. What are the vegetarian options?
We have several vegetarian options. The garden pasta is excellent, and our black bean burger is also a customer favorite.
Great. Thank you for the information.
This is so important. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The waiter is there to help you. Useful phrases are, what do you recommend? What are your specials today? What is this dish? Pointing to the menu. Does this dish contain ingredient for allergies? Is it possible to get this without ingredient?
And if you have a dietary restriction, like being a vegetarian or having an allergy, it's very important to communicate it. You can say, I'm a vegetarian. I have a gluten allergy. I can't eat nuts.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I think so. I would like the chicken burger, please.
Great choice. And would you like fries or a salad with that?
I'll have the fries, please. And could I get the sauce on the side?
Of course. Sauce on the side. And for you, miss? I'll have the garden pasta. Is it very spicy? It has a little bit of chili flake, but we can make it mild for you if you prefer. Yes, mild would be perfect. Thank you.
This is a perfect example of a real order. Notice how we made special requests. This is very normal.
Let's review the key phrases for ordering and modifying. The most polite way to start is, I would like, or the short form, I'd like. I will have, or I'll have. Could I please have?
And for modifications, you can say, could I get that with fries instead of salad? Can you make it without onions? Could I have the dressing on the side? On the side means not mixed in, but in a separate little cup.
And here we are, the garden pasta for you, miss, and the beef burger for you, sir.
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, but I think there might be a mistake. I ordered the chicken burger, not the beef burger.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. It seems I made a mistake when putting in the order. My apologies. I will get you the chicken burger right away.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Mistakes happen. It's important to be polite but clear. The best way to start is, excuse me, or I'm sorry, but.
Key phrases for correcting an order. Excuse me, I ordered the chicken, but this looks like beef. I'm sorry, but I think this is the wrong order. My food is cold. Could you please heat it up?
In most restaurants, they will be very apologetic and fix the problem for you immediately. How is everything tasting?
It's wonderful, thank you. The burger is cooked perfectly.
Yes, my pasta is delicious, very fresh. I'm so glad to hear that. Can I get you another drink or anything else?
I'm okay for now, thank you. The waiter will usually come back a few minutes after you get your food to check in. They want to make sure you are happy.
You can use this time to give a compliment or ask for something else. Some easy food compliments are, it's delicious. Everything is great, thank you. My compliments to the chef. This is a very high compliment. And, are you finished with your main courses?
Yes, we are. That was excellent.
Wonderful. Can I interest you in our dessert menu or perhaps a coffee or tea? Oh, dessert. I don't know if I have room, but I'd love to see the menu.
Me too.
Here you are. Our specials today are the chocolate lava cake and the New York cheesecake.
The lava cake sounds tempting. What exactly is it?
It's a warm chocolate cake with a melted chocolate center served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Okay, you've convinced me. I'll have the chocolate lava cake.
And I'll just have a cappuccino, please. Excellent. 1 lava cake and 1 cappuccino. I'll be right back with those.
Okay, we've finished our delicious dessert and coffee. Now is the moment of truth. Time to pay.
You need to get the waiter's attention politely. You can make eye contact and give a little nod. When they come over, you can ask for the bill.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right over.
There are a few ways to ask for this. They all mean the same thing. Can I have the bill, please? Common in the UK and worldwide.
Can I get the check, please? Very common in the US.
Here is your bill. I'll take this whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Looking at the bill, it looks like we're ready to pay now. Can we pay by card?
Of course. The waiter will often leave the bill on the table in a small book or on a plate. This gives you time to check it. They won't rush you.
When you're ready, you can put your credit card in the book. The waiter will see it and come take it. They might ask, "How would you like to pay? Will that be cash or card?"
And you can answer, "By card, please. In cash."
This brings us to a very important cultural topic. A tip is extra money you give to the waiter for their good service. The rules for tipping are very different around the world.
This is so important. In the United States and Canada, tipping is expected. It's a very big part of the culture. The standard tip is 15 to 20% of the bill before tax. Service is usually not included in the bill.
In the UK, it's a bit different. A service charge of 10 to 12.5% is often automatically added to the bill, especially for groups. If it is, you don't need to tip more. If it's not, a tip of around 10% is polite for good service, but not as mandatory as in the US.
In many countries in Europe and Asia, tipping is not common or expected. The service charge is usually included in the price of the food. Leaving a small amount of change is a nice gesture, but a large percentage is not necessary.
Our advice, when you travel, do a quick search online for tipping culture in country name. It will save you from an awkward situation.
And here you are. Everything is all set. Thank you for coming. Thank you. The food was great and the service was fantastic.
Yes, thank you for a lovely evening.
Our pleasure. Have a wonderful night. You too. Goodbye.
It's always nice to give a final compliment and a friendly goodbye. It leaves a good impression.
Great job, everyone. You have learned so much. Now let's practice the most important sentences.
Listen and repeat after Daniel.
I'd like to make a reservation for 2. Table for 2, please. What do you recommend? I'd like the chicken burger, please. Could I have the dressing on the side? Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. Could we have the check, please?
Excellent work. Now let's review the key vocabulary we learned today.
Reservation or booking, saving a table in advance. Host or hostess, the person who greets you at the entrance. Menu, the list of food and drinks. Appetizer or starter, the first course. Main course or entree, the main dish. Beverages, drinks. Specials, dishes not on the regular menu. To recommend, to suggest something good. On the side, served separately, not mixed in. Bill or check, the paper that shows how much you need to pay. Tip or service charge, extra money for good service.
And that is our deep dive into ordering food in English. Wow, that was a lot of information, Anna.
It was, but it was all so useful. From booking the table to leaving a tip, you now have the language you need to have a successful and stress-free restaurant experience.
The key is to practice. The next time you go to a restaurant, even in your own country, try to think of the English phrases for what you are doing.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Thank you so much for listening to the PlainTalk English Podcast. We hope you feel more prepared for your next meal out.
We'll be back next week with another episode to help you with your English journey. Until then, keep practicing. Bye.